Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see the continuation of exercise 1.3. So here is the question. In a class test, total number of questions are given is 10, and for every correct answers marks will be given as 5 marks, and for every incorrect answers minus 2 marks is given, and 0 marks is provided for not attempting the question. So here three part of the questions is given. In the first part, Mohan gets 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers. So what will be the total score of Mohan? Second part of the question, it is said that Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. So what will be the score of Reshma? And in the third part of the question, Hina gets 2 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. So total number of questions attempted by Hina is 7, isn't it? So what will be the score of Hina? Now, one by one we are going to see the solutions of the questions. So total number of questions in a class test is how many? 10 questions, and for every correct answers marks will be given as 5 marks, and for every incorrect answers marks is given as minus 2 marks. Now 0 marks will be provided for not attempting the questions. First part, Mohan got 4 correct answers. So for 4 correct answers the marks will be how much? 4 into 5, that will be 20 marks. He got 6 incorrect answers. So marks for 6 and incorrect answers will be how much? 6 into minus 2, that will be minus 12 marks. Now total marks obtained by Mohan, that is a score, isn't it? So 20 plus minus 12, when you open the bracket, plus and minus will become minus. So 20 minus 12, it will be 8 marks. So total score of Mohan will be 8 marks. In the same way, Reshma got 5 correct answers. So marks for 5 correct answer will be how much? 5 into 5, that will be 25 marks. Then she got 5 incorrect answers. So for 5 incorrect answers the marks will be how much? 5 into minus 2, that will be 10 marks. Now total score of Reshma will be how much? 25 plus minus 10. When you open the bracket, it will become minus. So 25 minus 10, that will be 15 marks, isn't it? In the same way, the third part of the question, Hina got 2 correct answers. So marks for 2 correct answer will be 2 into 5, that will be 10 marks, and she got 5 incorrect answers. So marks for 5 incorrect answer will be 5 into minus 2, that will be marks will be minus 10. So total score of Hina will be 10 plus minus 10, that will be 0. 10 plus minus 10. When you open the bracket, plus and minus will become minus, so it will be 0 marks. So here is the question ends. Now, second part of the question, here one company is there. It is going to sold a white cement bag and a grey cement bag. While selling out a white cement bag, there is a profit of rupees 8 on per bag, and while selling out the grey cement bag, there is a loss on every bag rupees 5. Okay. Now the first part of the question, it is said that company is going to sold 3000 white bags and 5000 grey bags in a month. So what will be his profit or loss? In the second part of the question, it is asked the number of white cement bag when the number of grey cement bag is sold as 6400. So look the solution. A cement company earns a profit for every white cement bag is how much? Rupees 8 per bag. In the same way, a cement company earns loss of on every grey cement bag is how much? Rupees 5 on per bag. Now total number of white cement bags sold is how much? 3000, isn't it? So profit on 3000 white cement bag will be 3000 into 24. Why multiplied with 8? Because on every cement bag that company is going to get 8 rupees profit. So number of white cement bag is sold is how much? 3000. That's so 3000 will be multiplied with 8, that means profit of 24,000 rupees. In the same way, company sold number of grey cement bag is 5000, and on every selling of grey cement bag there is a loss of rupees 5. So 5000 into 5, that will be 25,000 rupees. So here profit amount is 24,000 rupees and loss amount is 25,000 rupees. So which one is greater? 25,000, that means loss is greater. Therefore the company have the loss amount is 25,000 minus 24,000, that will be rupees 1000. That means company going to bear the loss of 1000 rupees. Now In the second part of the questions, here it is asked about the total number of white bag, isn't it? Now, number of grey bags sold is how many? 6400, and on every grey bag sold there is a loss of rupees 5. So on selling out 6400 bag there is a loss of 32,000 rupees, because 6400 will be multiplied by 5. You will get the answer as 32,000 rupees. Now, profit on every white cement bag selling is how much? Rupees 8. So this loss of 32,000 will be divided by 8. You will get the answer as 4,000 bags. So total number of white cement bag will be 4,000 when 6400 bags of grey cement bag will be sold out. Understood the question? Now we are going to see one more question, that is find the product using the suitable property. Here you have to use the property and solve the question. So question is 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So using the distributive property. What is distributive property? Is A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. So 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. This question is in the form of RHS side of the property, isn't it? So we have to convert the RHS into LHS side of the property. So here minus 48 and minus 48 both are similar, like A is similar in the RHS side of the property. So we are going to take it common. So minus 48 is taken as common. So when you are going to take out minus 48 as a common, what will be the number left out? That is 26 plus minus 36. Minus 36 comes from the question itself and plus comes from the question. Okay. Now when you are going to open the bracket, plus and minus will become minus itself. So 26 minus 36, it will be minus 10. Why it is minus 10? Because 36 is greater than 26, that's why.